Hi everybody. Welcome my channel. Are you looking for the best dual dash cams? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best budget dual dash cams for car on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range.
At number 1.
The ThinkWare U1000 Dual Dash Cam is like having a personal videographer for your car, but without the high production costs. This powerful little device brings 4K UHD resolution, that's 3840 by 2160 for all you tech buffs, to your front camera, while the rear camera boasts a 2K resolution at 2560 by 1440. Translation? Crystal clear footage whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight parking spots. With its 150 degrees wide-angle view, the U1000 captures everything happening around you, like that moment someone cuts you off, and you wish you had proof. Well, now you do. The dashcam also includes a Sony sensor for excellent low-light performance and G-sensor technology, meaning it automatically starts recording when it detects a sudden impact. Perfect for those "I swear that wasn't my fault" moments. Add to that Wi-Fi, GPS, and cloud functionality, and you've got the ultimate car companion. It's even got parking mode, just in case your car has more fun when you're not around.
At number 2.
The next base 622 gigawatts front and rear dash cam is like having a personal security guard for your car, but this one works 24/7 and doesn't take coffee breaks. Offering true 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, this dash cam captures every detail with ultra-high definition clarity, from license plates to those unexpected roadside surprises. It's not just about recording, though. The Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth capabilities mean you can instantly access, share, and store your footage without any fuss. Plus, Alexa integration lets you control the cam with just your voice, making it feel like you're living in the future, minus the flying cars. With parking mode, your vehicle is monitored even when you're not there, and the night vision ensures crystal clear footage during late-night drives. It's basically the all-seeing eye for your car, so whether you're on a road trip or just running errands, this dash cam has your back.
At number 3.
The Blackview DR900X2CH dash cam is like the James Bond of car cameras, sleek, high-tech, and ready for action. This gadget comes with 4K UHD recording for the front camera, which means every tiny detail on the road gets captured in stunning clarity. From license plates to unexpected moments, this dashcam has your back, and your front, too. Equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS, the DR900X2CH offers easy connectivity and accurate tracking of your vehicle's location. And for those who like to keep tabs on their car, even when they're not around, it's cloud-enabled, letting you view your footage from anywhere in the world. Add in the optional CM100 LTE module, and boom, you've got real-time monitoring through your phone. With parking mode and a voltage monitor, you can rest assured your vehicle is protected 24/7 without draining your battery. Plus, it comes with a 32GB microSD card, so you're set to go right out of the box. Whether you're cruising or parked, this dash cam is always watching, and it's always sharp.
At number 4.
The Rexing V1P 4K car dashcam is like having a vigilant co-pilot who never blinks. This incredible device features a 2.4-inch LCD screen and captures 2160p ultra-high definition footage from the front camera, while the rear cam records at 1080p. With a whopping 170 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture everything from that sneaky squirrel darting across the road to the car behind you trying to figure out how to parallel park. Equipped with a G-sensor, this dash cam will automatically save footage during sudden stops or collisions, ensuring that those precious moments are never lost. Plus, with WDR, wide dynamic range, technology, you'll get clearer images in various lighting conditions, no more battling sun glare or shadows. And if you're worried about storage, don't be, the loop recording feature overwrites old files, so you'll always have the latest footage. But wait, there's more. With its mobile app, you can easily view and manage your recordings from your smartphone. And let's not forget the supercapacitor, which offers enhanced durability and performance compared to traditional batteries. So, whether you're on a long road trip or just running errands, the Rexing V1P has got your back, recording every turn and twist along the way.
At number 5.
The Van Truen 4.3 channel dash cam is the ultimate road companion, equipped with a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera to capture every moment on your journey. But wait, it doesn't stop there. The additional 1440p interior camera ensures you won't miss a thing inside your vehicle, perfect for rideshare drivers. Equipped with IR night vision, the N4 provides clear footage even in low light, because nighttime adventures can be a little wild. Plus, with 24-hour parking mode, it keeps a vigilant eye on your vehicle when you're away. So if a sneaky driver tries to bump your car and play the disappearing act, the N4 will have it all on record. With support for a 256GB memory card, you can capture countless adventures without worrying about storage. Drive confidently, knowing the Van True N4 has your back, safeguarding every mile of your journey.